Hi everyone, my name is Ben. And so my agency is I'm working with a health systems organization. So I'll be working with in two different clinics. One is centered around geriatrics, the other is centered around more family health. So kind of more of an opportunity to both work with the older adult population as well as working with younger people like children, adolescents, families, um, different things like that. So I'll be kind of switching between both places, despite them being part of the same, organization, more or less. Really hoping to kind of just develop my clinical skills and kind of learn more about um, how those work in practice more so than in theory. Right now, I'm mostly operating on theory because I just that my last placement really didn't. There was not a lot of clinical aspects to it. Um, so really just kind of looking to develop that, see if that's an area that I enjoy, I want to continue working with, or if that's an area that I don't really enjoy as much. Um, and then with regard to my generalist practice versus or placement versus this placement, my first placement was a lot more case management related, as well as there was like a youth program that I was involved with as well. That was pretty fun. So, but this will be kind of more getting into the clinical aspects of things, working with doctors, and I've never worked in a hospital before, so more or less. So that it's going to be kind of just a very different kind of environment experience. I'm very excited to get started with it. Thank you for watching.